Good evening, classmate. My name is Daniel Castañeda. I am from Ipehuila, but I live in Bogota in the located Bosa. My email is pipe.plan@hotmail.com. Actually, I am operator of lathe machine. I am 20 years old. My hobbies are walking in the park. Also, I practice volleyball and I cook in dessert. My favorite food is spaghetti with cheese, seafood, and hot dog. My favorite movie is The Mars because it's the relative with the space, moon, and star. Some of my favorite book is The Killer in the Orient Express because it's the history based on reality about murder. Now continue my strengths. I can read fast and words. 2. I understand and verify and the phrase. 3. I am so good for writing and memorizing words. Weakness. First, I have difficulties with the listening skill. 2. I am disorganized with the grammar. 3. When I have communication with my parents, I feel nervous for pronunciation in English. I practice English in the work my parents. Also, I listen in English music all the time. I like performance as DJ and singer. I am repeat now words. I like helping with the question in the topic English. Thanks.